This is one of my favorite products from MAC. This is the NC50 Select Cover Up. This is a corrector, and this really helps to cover up those dark spots. If you notice under my eyes, I do have slight dark circles under my eyes. It's not very deep, but this is one of those products that really helps to balance your skin out. It is one of those products from MAC that is really hard to find, and I got this from Selfridges on Oxford Street, and when you find this, cherish it. Pick up at least one or two of them. So let me just show you what I made. So if you notice under my eyes, I do have, just like I said, just some slight dark circles and dark spots just on top of my eyes. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this, and a little bit of this goes a long way. So I'm just going to put a few dots there and a few dots over my eyes, and I'm just going to blend this out, and you would see how nicely this just covers everything up. I mean, look at that. Completely evens out my skin. Do you see how easy that was? I mean, if you just want to put this on any other dark spots all over your face, go right ahead, but I just basically use this around my eyes, and it blends so nicely. You don't really need a lot because you don't want this to be caking under your makeup, and it just balances everything out so nicely. I'm going to leave this in the description box just in case you want to pick this up. And this is from Revolution. This is the Conceal and Correct Orange Color Corrector, one of my favorites, and I don't think Revolution is making these anymore, so I picked up a whole bunch of these because they are so good. And I just work in small places on my face at a time, and I just blend this in. Because sometimes you don't really need to cover up things all over your face. And that's my color correcting and skin prep done. So I'm just going to do my brows right now, and I'm going to use this. This is a brow pomade from Maybelline. So this is it right here. And I'm just going to do the brows. This is the MAC NW40 concealer. So I'm just going to use this and just clean up my brows just a little. So this is my summer skincare prep already done. Easy and simple. Everything is going to be listed in the description box for you guys. My skin is completely balanced. My skin feels so fresh. My skin feels so hydrated and just ready for foundation. I can simply go in with a powder on top of this, a little blush, lipstick, and some mascara, and I'm good to go. I can still see some slight imperfections on my skin, which is totally fine, but my skin is completely balanced and just looking really, really good. Lip gloss, brows, and that's it. And again, everything is going to be listed in the description box for you guys below. I mean, you really don't need to go in with too many things on your face, guys. You really don't. I have oily skin and I really hate to go in with too many things to clog my pores and to allow my skin to feel so tacky. My skin right now feels so soft, so plump. It feels amazing. Simple skincare prep for the summer. And that's it. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave me your thoughts and your comments in the description box below. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette and I shall see you next time. Bye.